Hi everyone, this is Saranya. In this video, we'll be seeing about adders. The aim is to study by design and construct half adder and full adder circuits and verify their truth table using logic gates. The procedure is given below. We have to give connection as per the circuit diagram, and we have to switch on the digital lab trainer kit. Inputs are given using toggle switch, and we have to observe the output and verify the truth table. Let's move on to half adder. Half adder is a combinational circuit that needs two binary inputs and two binary outputs. The inputs are A and B and the output variables are sum and carry. Half adder is being implemented with an XOR gate and an AND gate. The truth table is given here. Inputs are A and B and the outputs are sum and carry. The circuit diagram has been represented here. The sum is being produced using an XOR gate and carry is being produced using an AND gate. The K-map for sum and K-map for carry is being given here. We know we have to perform K-map with the help of the truth table. So for sum, which inputs produces output as 1, we have to take those inputs for the K-map. 0, 1 and 1, 0 produces sum as an sum 1 as an output. So we are taking those two inputs. 0, 1 produces 1 as an output, 1, 0 produces 1 as an output. So we are taking those two inputs for the K-map. And the Boolean expression we get is sum is equal to A plus B. Same for the K-map for carry. So if we see only one input which gives output as 1 is 1 and 1. So we are taking that A as 1 and B as 1, the output will be 1. So Boolean expression we get is carry is equal to AB. And let's see working of the half adder. We require two input toggle switches A and B, and we require one XOR gate and one AND gate. And two bulbs, light bulbs, to see the output. If the bulb glows, it means it is 1, and if not, it means it's 0. We have to give connections now. Before that, we'll just label them. So this is A, this is B, and first one is an XOR gate, and this is AND gate, and this is sum, and this is carry. So we'll just give the inputs to the XOR gate. A is one of the input for XOR gate, and A will be another input for the AND gate, and B will be input for XOR gate, and B will be another input for the AND gate. So the outputs of the XOR gate and AND gate will be connected to the sum and carry light bulbs. So when both A and B are 0, the output will be 0. There will be no light glow. When A is 1, the sum will be 1, carry will be 0. When B is 1 and A is 0, B is 1, A is 0, the sum will be 1, same carry will be 0. When A and B both are 1, the carry will be 1. This is the working of half adder. Let's move to full adder. Full adder is a combinational circuit that performs arithmetic sum of the inputs. It consists of 3 inputs and 2 outputs. A full adder is used to add 3 bits at a time. Full adder sum output will be taken from an XOR gate and carry output will be taken from the OR gate. So circuit diagram is given here. Here there will be 2 XOR gates, 2 AND gate, and 1 OR gate. The truth table is given here. The inputs are A, B and C, and the output will be carry and sum. There are 2 outputs, carry and sum. So the K-map for sum and K-map for carry is given here. So we have to check it with the truth table. We have to see which inputs gives corresponding output as 1. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 gives output as 1 for carry. So first let's see the K-map for carry. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 0 gives output as 1. So we will just group them, and the corresponding Boolean expression we get is carry is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. Let's see K-map for sum. So if we see 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, here 1, 0, 0 and 1, 1 will give output as 1 in sum. So we'll just mark those input values here. 100 gives us 1, 001 gives us in output as 1, 010 will give output as 1, and 111 will give output as 1. So A will be in this side and B, C are grouped at one side. It is same for the carry. So the Boolean expression we get is sum is equal to A plus B plus C. So let's see the working of full adder. We know there are 3 inputs, so we require 3 toggle switches, and we need 2 XOR gates, 2 AND gates, and 1 OR gate, and we need 2 output light bulbs for sum and carry. Now let's label them. This is A, this is B, and this is borrow in, or let's mark it as C. It's our wish. And this is sum, and this one is carry. Now let's make the connections. For this XOR gate, A will be one of the input and B will be the another input. So likewise, we have to make connections with everything. At last, we have to connect the output of XOR gate with sum and output of OR gate with the carry. So when these 3 are 0, the output will be 0. When C is 1 and the sum will be 1. When B is 1, sum will be 1, carry will be 0. When B and C are 1, carry will be 1, sum will be 0. When A is 1 and the sum will be 1, carry will be 0. A and C are 1, the carry will be 1, sum will be 0. When 3 are 1, A, B, C are 1, the carry will be 1. That's is shown here. When these 3 are 1, sum and carry will be 1. That's the working of full adder, and thank you.